Good morning. These are the puppies Mama was just let out of the cage, and they are now adventurous enough to where they want to come out. This is early in week 4, and yesterday was their first feed day. They're 4 weeks old, and they're gonna go out and see some squaw grass. They're gonna go out and play around a little bit. This is Nick. This is Uncle Nick, and there are 2 of us here. We're going on a walkabout. Nick, could you turn around?
Yes.
This is fiance of our daughter, Lauren.
Hi.
This
and
is... Oh, yeah, this is number 3. And...
Okay, number 3. Okay.
Number 2, I think, or Tanner. Yeah, number 2 and number 3. So we'll see you in just a minute. Here we go. We're outside. We're all 3 outside in the field. So 2 of them are that way, and we'll turn Tanner around, see if she follows her sister back. This is number 3, investigating the bush. Number 2 is off with the mule's ear. Tanner's under Daddy's feet. So here we go. We're investigating our world. So this is 2 and 3 coming together. There they are. Oh, he goes right to the finish. Oh, trying to get something going. Yesterday, one of them was pulling on the other one's tail. Biting and pulling and biting. Now they got the back leg going. So they're in play mode. Full play mode. Hey, here comes Mama. Mama's in the frame, briefly. Here's the puppies. Puppies are into their running around mode. Oh, they're going to follow Mama. That's the fastest one of us moved. Tanner's out and about. Where'd my Mama go? Tanner's way over there. The other 2 are here in the little clearing. Oh, look, little run. Puppy run. Out and about. So they're hopping, they're running, they're play fighting with each other. Made a big growth from last week. They're all 3 together. Mom's running around with a bone in her mouth. Found an old bone. They got some movement going on now. So that's a happy Sunday morning family. And they're all 3 coming together. This is... Hi, it's week 4, the beginning, it's the 2nd day of week 4, and this is their very first food, and it's a mixture of soaked dog kibble mashed up with a little cottage cheese. Here we go. Here's our chow.
These 2 are going at it.
That's Preston's mom talking right there on the video, Ella May, and now everybody's at the bowl. So this is their first, and they had a little bit of water today. Number 2 and 3 are super interested. Tanner's not so much. So we'll see you guys in a minute. Well, let's see what happens. See if she gets the idea. They're getting big.